Hello everyone, my name is Guillermo Vila Moreno and today's date is October 13, 2023 and this is the circuit 3 attempt letter C. And today we will be running a motor with my sketch. And here we see int motor pin equals 9, which is defined the pin the motor is connected to, which is 9. And then we see the setup function, which runs once when you turn your Arduino on, and we set the motor's pin to be an output, turning the pin high 5 volts or low, or which is ground, and rather than an input checking whether a pin is high or low. And we see the void setup, which is pin mode, motor pin, and output. And we see the loop function, which will start after setup finish and then repeat, and we call function called motor on then off. And we see the void loop, which runs over and over again, and then the motor on then off, which is set up for motor on then off with speed and motor acceleration. And then we see motor on then off function, which turns the motor on then off. And we notice this code is identical to the code we use for the blinking LED. And void motor on and off function, and we see int on time, which is 2500, which the number of milliseconds for the motor to not turn on for, and then int offline 1000, which is the number of milliseconds for the motor to turn off for. And we see digital write motor pin high, which turns the motor on, and then the delay on time, which is waits for on time milliseconds, and then digital write, which is motor pin low, which turns the motor off, and then the delay off time, which waits for offline milliseconds. And here we see the Arduino running, or the circuit running, and we see that the pin is connected to pin 9, which is the blue cable, and then goes to the resistor, which is a 2.2K, and then is connected to a transistor, which is this 3 pin, and the green cable is connected to the ground, and this black cable is connected to this, which is called a DIN. And we see that is after connected to the DIN is connected to the positive side of the motor, which is going like clockwise, and then the negative side goes to the other side of the DIN, and then the red cable is connected to the positive side, which is then connected to the 5 volts.